We're here at Rosebud Academy. How did today go, Vernita?
Today was awesome. We had a great time. We were 25 educators today. They learned solid math instruction through an activity for ratios nonetheless.
Ratio is one of the hardest concepts to really teach children because it's really connecting math concepts along the way. But we did an incredible job with the educators today.
I think we did, not to toot our own horn, but
toot it.
Yeah. We did a great job today with educators, even that came in, started the day feeling a little shaky, like, math is hard. Yes, I teach it every day, but I try to get through that block as quickly as I can. When we were finished, they felt empowered.
We saw smiles across folks' faces who were a little bit nervous about wondering what we were going to do, because a lot of times when people hear the word math professional development, they're like, what are we about to do? But we really made it fun and exciting.
My name is Sean Brown, and I'm the founder and executive director of Pasadena Rosebud Academy Charter School.
So my name is Erika Fajardo, and I teach kindergarten.
My name is Miss Chavez, and I am a 4th grade teacher.
Today we had the utmost enjoyable time.
I'm really happy that Equation to Success came in and taught this lesson. I thought it was really enriching.
And Dr. Kamai and Dr. Vernita really brought fun math to life in a fun way. This was an experience that I probably will be referring to for many, many years.
I've taken away the way I can further engage my students in math. I was a student who did not like math, and I've found different strategies and how to implement the math in a way that kids are going to be involved.
And the information that we learned today on supporting our students with math instruction was really designed to help close that achievement gap and really supporting the work that needs to be done for Black and Brown students to increase their math scores and help put them on a path to college and career readiness.